Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500. 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 Reg Cab DRW 57,000 miles steel dump bed. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 58,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, and has had all scheduled maintenance completed. One owner 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 Reg Cab DRW 57,000 miles steel dump bed, 9x7, 4x4 Duramax 6.6L V8 turbo diesel. Bluetooth, Silverado 3500 HD work truck, 2D standard cab, Duramax 6.6L V8 turbo diesel, Allison 1006 speed automatic, GVWR, 13,200, black W/gray vinyl bench seats, dark ash vinyl, inside rear view auto dimming mirror, preferred equipment group 1 WT, 3.73 ratio, provision for cab roof mounted lamp trailer brake controller, remote keyless entry, steering wheel, vertical camper heated outside mirrors, WT convenience package. 410-861-9929. CARFAX certified every truck. Hablamos Español. Solo tienesq traer una identificación passport OID consular de Tuesday pays YTEAPROVAMOS rapidamente. No tax ID, no licencia. No cuenta de banco. Solo LLAMANOS nosotros PROMETEMOS APROVARTE. Lama Ahora. 443-291-9293. Key features include, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and window defogger.
These trucks don't stay long, so come visit us soon.